This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, November 5th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. Fairly decent storm system is coming in from the south and southwest. This is going to bring us some showers and even a few embedded thunderstorms as well. Severe weather not anticipated, maybe south of the state across Missouri down into eastern Oklahoma and Texas and Arkansas. Around here, some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Rainfall amounts generally around 1/10 of an inch or less in the west to maybe up to 1/4 to 1/2 an inch in the east. Highs today mainly in the 60s to around 70, but temperatures will be falling, especially in our western counties, by late in the afternoon hours. And then that system moves off to the east here on Friday. Partly to mostly sunny skies, much cooler temperatures, highs mainly in the 50s, maybe a few upper 40s in our far northern and northeastern counties. Could see a little bit of frost and freeze activity again. Of course, we're well past the normal frost and freeze period, but could see temperatures around freezing, especially in our northern and northeastern counties of the state Saturday morning. Highs Saturday still in the 50s or so, but temperatures do warm up again Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday as winds turn around to the south and west. Temperatures Sunday, maybe 50s to low 60s. Then Monday and Tuesday, we should see mainly 60s across most of the state, except maybe our northeastern counties could still be in the upper 50s. Mainly sunny skies Sunday through Tuesday. And that's going to be ahead of this next system you see gathering across the west into the Intermountain West, and that's going to be coming in here as we move toward the middle of the week. You can see here on Tuesday the system dumping maybe a good deal of snow across Utah, the Wasatch, the Rockies, up in toward Yellowstone National Park, Montana or so. So quite a bit of mountain snow there. And then that system swings in here on Wednesday of next week, and this could produce a couple of showers or so. It's not as robust as it was yesterday at this time, so the strength is a little bit of a fluid situation at this point. We'll keep watching it to see if anything changes. As we move toward next Thursday, you see the pattern is fairly zonal, no real big troughs and ridges and whatnot. A couple of systems around. We'll have one just departing the state that's going to bring a little bit of colder air in, a little bit, not a lot. So this could just drop our temperatures back around the 50s or so. Nothing too abnormal for the early to middle part of November. And another storm system is gathering across the north and west, and that's another system we'll have to watch. And even looking ahead into the extended period, this is around the 16th of November. This is a very distinct storm system moving across the southern plains. This is looking to swing northeastward, and it's one of those Texas hook systems that if this was December or January, we would be looking at possibly a very major storm system coming in. But it's November, so it's still something to watch. Could be severe weather if this is to be correct. Still more than 10 days out, so we'll keep watching it though. The end of the forecast around the 20th of November. We have one big upper level feature over eastern Canada, another fairly distinct trough axis just moving into the west coast. Otherwise, we're pretty much in a benign pattern. Flow out of the west that's keeping our temperatures fairly seasonal. A lot of cold air bottled up in Canada, but not really making inroads into the country, or at least into our neck of the woods quite yet. But we're getting closer and closer toward December at this point, and it's not going to be too far off. Satellite image from last evening. You can see the next storm system approaching from the west. You can see a line of showers and a few thunderstorms across the central and into the southern plains. A little bit of tropical activity across the Caribbean, and a couple clouds out west as well. And that's producing quite a bit of mountain snow, especially in the eastern Utah, Colorado Rockies, down into the San Juans. Winter storm advisories, warnings out there. Some flash flood issues possible over Texas into southeastern Oklahoma and southwestern Arkansas, where they could see quite a bit of precipitation. This is rainfall through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. Around here, about 1/10, as I said, over the west, to maybe about 1/2 an inch east. Heaviest rain looks to be over Texas and the Gulf Coast.